Welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of next-generation laser cutters and engravers. From powerful industrial solutions to ultra-precise compact machines, xTool has been pushing boundaries with some incredible new releases. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 xTool products you need to know about. Let's get started. Number 5. The xTool P3. Compact yet capable, the P3 is a smart desktop laser cutter designed for creators and small businesses who want professional results without a huge footprint. It offers fast, accurate cutting and engraving with intelligent features like autofocus and a camera system for precise positioning. If you're into crafting, custom projects, or small-scale production, the P3 delivers pro-level quality in a size that fits almost anywhere. Number 4. The xTool F2 Ultra. Stepping things up, the F2 Ultra is built for speed and portability. This is a handheld laser engraver that combines dual laser technology with incredible precision. Perfect for on-the-go customization, it can engrave on a wide range of materials: metal, plastic, leather, and more, making it a favorite for both hobbyists and small business owners who want flexibility and professional results. Number 3. The xTool MetalFab. Now we're entering the heavy hitters. The MetalFab is xTool's industrial-grade solution for serious production environments. Designed specifically for metal processing, it offers unmatched power and reliability. Whether it's cutting thick steel plates or delivering high-accuracy engravings, the MetalFab is built to handle demanding workloads. If you need a machine that's ready for true manufacturing scale, this is the one to look at. Number 2. The xTool M1 Ultra. The M1 Ultra is an evolution of the already popular M1 series, but this time it's even more versatile. It's a hybrid machine that combines laser cutting, engraving, and blade cutting all in one. From paper and wood to vinyl and fabric, the M1 Ultra is perfect for makers who want an all-in-one creative workstation. With smart software integration and a larger working area, it's a powerhouse for DIY enthusiasts, educators, and businesses alike. Number 1. The xTool F1 Ultra. This upgraded version combines blazing fast engraving speeds with exceptional accuracy, thanks to its enhanced dual laser system. It's engineered to handle both delicate detailing and tough materials, making it an absolute game changer. Whether you're personalizing products, creating custom jewelry, or running a small engraving business, the F1 Ultra brings industrial-grade performance into a compact, user-friendly design. And there you have it, the top 5 xTool machines shaping the future of laser cutting and engraving. From the compact P3 to the powerhouse F1 Ultra, there's a tool here for every creator, maker, and professional. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more product deep dives, and let us know in the comments which xTool machine impressed you the most.